30 years of source-to-pay innovation, 30 years of procurement expertise and trusted guidance, and a laser-sharp focus on what comes next to help manufacturers thrive in an unpredictable future. Automate complex processes and optimize sourcing with embedded intelligence. Enable a highly resilient, accountable, and integrated supplier base. And enhance human decision-making and supplier collaboration to accelerate business outcomes.
The real revolution here was creating a new value, thinking out of the box.
Choose JAGGAER to power your manufacturing procurement success. 30 years of source-to-pay innovation, inspired by our past, powering procurement's future.